tea tree oil by Via Naturals. 100% natural tea tree oil. Moisturizing oil for hair, scalp, and body. Now this right here, this tea tree oil, I must say, says 100% natural, but isn't 100% pure tea tree oil. Now don't get it wrong, this is a good moisturizer. It does definitely work. I could attest to that because I use it. Let's read it back. Via Natural Tea Tree Oil conditions the scalp and helps control dryness. Excellence for all textures, including natural styles, braids, extensions, and chemically treated or colored treated hair. You know what I mean? So there you go with that pop. Directions: apply directly to hair, scalp, cuticles, or skin and massage until absorbed. Use daily for hydration and nourishment. So yeah, it's smooth, it definitely moisturizes and nourishes the hair, I must say, especially if you got flakes and whatnot. It works wonders, you know. Now let's go right here, because you see the ingredients. As it said 100% natural, it didn't say 100% tea tree oil, but just 100% natural. And here's all the other stuff that it got. I ain't gonna read, but if you want, you can pause and read now. Right here, we have 100% tea tree oil, pure. This is more like an oil. This is more like slick with it. And this is different right here because it's 100% tea tree oil. That's it. You put this in your hair, yeah, you feel it. I'm telling you. It's a little different. But I use both. I recommend both. Use this, then afterwards you can use this. If y'all tried either or these products, let me know. But this is a review of tea tree oils. And let me know if you tried it and which one's your favorite or which one's your go-to.